Vladimir Artyakov, Deputy General Director of Rostec, provided an interesting perspective on the pace and development of Russia's state defense order execution during an interesting interview with Russia 24. Artyakov disclosed that Russia has remarkably increased its production of combat aircraft in response to the Ministry of Defense's request and the current international scenario. Importantly, there has been a noticeable increase in the production of multi-role fighters like the Su-34, Su-30, and Su-35 lines, effectively tripling the output. Artyakov emphasized that we have significantly modernized our production facilities and actively invested in specialized training. 3 shifts of our workers work relentlessly, and management is on duty constantly. Our main priority is still to mobilize our labor force. He added fervently that Rostec's state corporate firms are committed to improving weapon production. In accordance with the demands of the Russian Ministry of Defense, Artyakov also revealed that the state corporation's businesses are currently mass-producing the Kaitzel hypersonic missiles. Sukhoi plants improvements. In order to fulfill the growing demand for these aircraft, the production facilities for the Su-30, Su-34, and Su-35 fighter jets will need to be upgraded. The Sukhoi factory's production facilities have previously undergone improvements. They involved both the addition of new machinery and the modernization of older ones. This contributes to a reduction in manufacturing time and an improvement in production efficiency. Rostec is spending money on R&D to enhance the design and capabilities of these fighter jets, in addition to making improvements to the production facilities themselves. This ensures that they continue to meet the demands of modern warfare while also being at the cutting edge of military technology. The Russian and international military markets are anticipated to be significantly impacted by the expanded production of the Su-30, Su-34, and Su-35 fighter jets. Due to their cutting-edge capabilities and adaptability, these aircraft are in high demand, and the increasing production will make them more widely available to nations around the world. As for Kaitzel production, Artyakov confidently asserted that the manufacturing of the hypersonic Kaitzel missile is not only stable but robust, dismissing claims of a missile shortage. He asserted that despite the early drawbacks brought on by testing and production taking place at the same time, it perfectly complies with the Ministry of Defense's requirements. He stated that the production process has now advanced to a full-scale operation. We have increased Kaitzel's production to its maximum capacity. In the beginning, we simply produced a small number in order to make improvements and finish the research. On Russia 24, Artyakov said, but now we're in the groove of a consistent production rhythm, aligning precisely with the quality, timing, and volume expectations of the Ministry of Defense. Artyakov also scorned Kiev's claims that it had used the American Patriot air defense system to intercept Russian Kaitzels, calling them Ukrainian propaganda. He implied that Kiev's statements were nothing more than a ruse to gain American favor by praising Western-made weapons.